What is up guys, I'm EJ of Open Pinoy and today I'm going to show you how to set up IPPTZ camera. But before we start, please do subscribe on our channel and hit the notification bell and be updated to our next content. So without further ado, let's go! In this tutorial, we will use the iWatchu OPA-IPPTZ2K plus 20X-Sony PTZ Speed Dome camera and the OPU-UHD 4K08 PoE NVR. You can check the specs in the description below. Both IPPTZ and the NVR supports PoE. It means the power that the PTZ needs will run over the Ethernet, so we're not going to use the power adapter for the PTZ. This NVR supports plug and play. It means it will automatically detect the IPPTZ. But if it didn't detect the camera, it's possible that the DHCP is disabled. So we have to access the PTZ and check the settings. To access the PTZ, plug it into your PC or laptop using UTP cable, and we have to use a power adapter for this time because we are going to connect it to non-PoE devices. You can connect it with your router, but for me, it's better to plug it directly into the laptop so that I will not mess up the internet connection if I do it wrong. You can skip this part if the NVR detects the PTZ camera, but if not, then download and install the OnBeef Device Manager. Once it's done, open the software. You will see from the device list that it detects the IPPTZ camera. Then click Windows plus R button and type CMD and click OK. Then type ipconfig and hit enter. Now notice the IP address of your PTZ camera and the IP address of your Ethernet adapter. In order to access the PTZ, we have to match the IP address of the Ethernet to the PTZ camera. Now click the Windows button and click the settings. Go to Network and Internet and click Change Adapter option. Go to the properties of the Ethernet. Double-click the Internet Protocol TCP/IP v4 to access the properties. Click Use the following IP address. Now we have to copy the IP address of the PTZ, but we have to change the last digit. If the IP address of the PTZ ends with 3, then use a different digit. Click on Subnet Mask and it will automatically fill. Then click OK. Click OK again and go to OnBeef Device Manager and click Refresh. Then wait until the firmware shows. It means you can now access the PTZ camera. Click the PTZ camera. Then on the right side, click the web page. Click Login without password. Now it will ask you to install the plugins. Just download and install it. Once it's done, click Login. Then click the remote settings. Go to Network Config and click Network Config. Now change the IP type to DHCP and enable the Auto IP and click Save. Now connect the PTZ camera to the NVR, and this time we're not going to use the power adapter for the PTZ camera because they are both support PoE function. Then wait until it detects the IPPTZ camera. Don't worry, there's no way that it will not detect the PTZ because we already set it. The PTZ camera is now connected. Let's try to control it by clicking the channel where your PTZ is connected. Then click the PTZ control. Now you can control your PTZ using the buttons located on the upper part. I will also teach you how to set up preset on the PTZ. Okay, on the same window, click Set. Now set the preset by positioning your IPPTZ camera and click Save. You can add preset as many as possible, but I will only add 3 presets to show how it will work. Now, what we will do is to add the presets that we made to the preset patrol. Just click Add Key Point, then select a preset. You can adjust the duration of the preset before it moves to the next preset. Once you're done, click Apply. Then on the PTZ control, click the preset patrol and click Play button. Now the PTZ will move according to the preset we made. And that's it for today, guys, and I hope you learned on this video. And we want to thank all of you for reaching 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. And shout out to Aljon Doretero for requesting this content. And please give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you will be updated. See ya!